Blackview company is just launching their latest OSCAL Tiger 12 super cool looking elegant smartphone. It is a new shining star on the market and now you have a chance to grab it at a reduced price. The phone boasts a 2.4K display featuring a 6.78-inch IPS LCD display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 500 nits. On the camera front, the OSCAL 12 sports 64-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GW-V30 lens on the back and a 30-megapixel Samsung selfie camera on the front, powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset and the Mali G57 GPU. The device promises a seamless user experience. It comes in a two storage variants, 8GB plus 128GB and a 12GB plus 256GB of RAM. The smartphone runs on the latest Android 13 OS with docOS 4.0. It supports triple SIM cards, allowing you to 2 SIM cards and a memory card simultaneously. The device also features fast charging of the 33W with the 5000 mAh battery for enduring usage. The Blackview OSCAL Tiger 12 is available in attractive color options. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong. The official sales links is below this video. Be sure to visit them, which leads to their OSCAL shop on AliExpress. Be sure to choose one of the Tiger 12 options and buy this great smartphone at a reduced price because the quantities are limited. You also have a $10 coupon code below. Use it for even bigger discount. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video. Bye.